This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one. It's from the US. This is Nissin Chow Mein Teriyaki Chicken. Yeah, I reviewed this a long time ago, and it's undergone a couple changes. There's like a recipe change and new packaging, so let's do. Here is the dealy deal right there. And let's see, we got some water to the line. There. Now this sucker's gonna go for 5 minutes. I'm going for the old 1000 watts. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be covered. So I will put the cover atop. Here we go. So 5 minutes, 2, 3, whoa, 5 minutes at 70%, because this thing it's a very powerful microwave. We have an extremely powerful microwave. Hey Miles, how you doing?
Hi Papa, how you doing?
Good. Are you
Good.
excited? Got some school today going on?
Yes.
Yeah, what you gonna do in school today?
I'm school today. I can do morning work.
Morning work. Yeah? What is
Yeah.
morning work?
And morning work will be sit-a-tits.
Be what?
Sit-a-tits.
Sit-a-tits?
Yes.
What is that?
I mean sit-a-tits.
Sentences?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. You go, laughing boy. You go play. Well, he's having a good day. Poor Mary's still sick, but she'll be feeling better soon, I hope. Yeah, boy, she got a cold that just won't quit. It's not funny. It's not fun. Yeah, she's got the postnasal drip that just keeps going, and I think that's making her barfo a lot, so. Anyways, well, what do we got to do now? I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a while. I am going to let you watch the beauty and marvel at Holy Slicer. Come on, there we go. So this is a fancy thing. All it's really built to do is slice onions. That's really its main task in life. But it does it oh so well. Come on. What I used to do is just put the bowl underneath and do the onions up that way, and we'd be good to go. But I found that just using a spoon and spooning on the sliced onions works much better. But here, let's see. I want to make sure you can see it. You can see that. So watch. Boy, I'm low on onions. These aren't looking all that hot either. this loveliness. Look at those. Nice, tiny, thin little rings of lovin' right there. I like that. So that's done. Usually I do that before the show. Now you have seen the miracle of Holy Slicer in action. I did some chicken. What do we got here? 30 seconds. Then it's got to chill in the microwave for 1 minute. Then you slap this on, stir it up, and you're good to go. And in the meantime, since everything I'm cooking today is 5 minutes, it's weird. That's not usually how it goes. I've got 3 things. 2 are microwaved, and 1 is steeped. Now it's gonna sit for a minute. And I'm like rolling. I don't want to come into a time crunch like I did yesterday, so got the water already boiling for the next one. Kind of crazy. So I'm curious if this thing boiled over or not. I hope it didn't. I've got an old 1200 watt, 1250, and then I put it at 75 or 70%, because 10% of 1250 is 125. 125 times 3. It seems to run hot though, so that's under 1,000 watts, but it seems to do just fine for all applications that are 1,000 watts. So, all right, we're on. So let's see what we got here. Our chow mein. This is everywhere. If you live in the US and you're like watching this video like, wow, I've never seen that before, go to the store. They have it. they will have it. If they don't have it, I don't know what to say. But it's certainly done. It's a little soupy still, but not too bad. Then we just add in our liquefaction. Yeah, I don't know why they put perfos on these things. It's like so much more advisable if you don't want to get crap all over your fingers just to use a pair of scissors. That's my take on the situation. As a professional sachet dealer with her, I deal with more sachets than most, I think. I've seen ones that have this special easy perfo technology and all this stuff, and it's like, no, not really. Doesn't help. The worst though is Indomie. Indomie is just like built to make a big freaking hairy mess. Well, I filled this sucker up to the line, and it is still kind of got some wetness. But we'll see. Ah, there's one of them. Where'd it go? I had it. Is this it? It's like green onions, bok choy, and carrot. I don't know what that was. So let's give this stuff a try. It's sweet. It's sweet. It's not bad. I mean, God, for the price, it's actually absolutely excellent. I think this was like 50 cents. Which is really quite amazing, I think. Miles is having a very good day. Oh, and here comes Leave It to Beaver. So, we watch, what do you call it? Oh, there was liquid on the tray, on the paper plate too, I just noticed. But yeah, we watch cartoons. They've got a cartoon show on MeTV in the morning. So they have to watch Bugs Bunny and Sylvester and Tweety and all that stuff, which is like, I'm very happy to make them watch that. It's like what I used to have to watch. And, whoops. So we do that. And then Leave It to Beaver comes on, and he actually likes that. Mimi's kind of like, yeah, I don't know. You're being awful noisy out there, kiddo. There's some chicken I sauteed earlier. Some spring onion. That worked out. And some sesame seeds. This is exactly what I was hoping it would look like. So I guess I win. So let's let Rotato do its... Miles, that's enough. Gee, God. Okay. Thank you, sir. Super noise face. Put that over there. Yeah. That's pretty nice. Rolling on. We've got the next one you're going to see is Artisan brand. This is out of China. This is an artificial beef flavor. A lot of sachets. I call these flower pots. They kind of look also like Ben and Jerry's. Anyways, see you tomorrow.